Payment terms enable to compute due dates for invoices. They are also checked by the customer follow-up application in order to send appropriate payment reminders to your clients. This application will be covered afterwards. For now, let's see how you can easily create new payment terms for your invoices. From a draft invoice, here you can select the existing payment terms or you can create new items. Here I would like to create new payment terms to get 30% of the total amount in advance and the balance after 30 days, end of the month. You can add also a description to print in the report in order to explain this payment term into more details. And then you can turn to the computation rule, which are the core of the payment terms. Here I have to create two rules, basically one by deadline. Regarding the advance payment, here I can select a percentage to compute the amount. As a percentage here I can type something between 0 and 1, so it's 30%. And the deadline will be the invoice date, so here I can replace 30 by 0. This is the first rule, quite simple. Now let's have a look at the second rule. I click on Save and New. The last rule of the payment terms has to be set to balance. It's mandatory in order to take the remaining balance into account. And then to get the 30 days end of the month, I can keep 30 as a number of days in order to add 30 days to the invoice date to get the months during which I have to be paid. And to get the last day of this month, I can replace here 0 by -1 as explained in this tooltip. Then I can save and close and save this new payment term. It is now applied in my system and I can use it for my invoices. Let's quickly fill in an invoice. I can save it and select the payment term. Now if I print it, here you retrieve the payment terms given to the client. Of course, you can apply those payment terms by default from the customer form. If I open the customer form, here in Accounting tab, you can set specific customer payment terms. That way, these payment terms will be automatically selected when you create a new sales order or an invoice for this client. That's it for payment terms. It's very easy to do.